Hello foodies, you know I love plantain so much, and today's recipe is so full of plantain and it's very fantastic. We're making a delicious plate with beans, stew, fried egg, and you guessed it, lots of plantain. I know making beans can be time consuming, but don't worry, I have some hacks to make it quick and easy. Pick and clean your beans beforehand, always beforehand. Soak them or use a pressure cooker. That's a game changer. And if you're not using a pressure cooker, you may add a pinch of baking soda and you're good to go. Let's get started. Boil your beans with a bit of salt, and while that is cooking, peel and fry those plantains. I'm excited. And after frying your plantain golden brown, then crack in some eggs and fry them. Set them aside, and of course you are allowed to taste the plantain. It's so yummy. Once the plantain is ready, it's time to check on the beans. The beans is cooked also, and it's time to plate. This plate looks amazing. Beans with beef and pomo stew that I made earlier, and lots of plantain with fried eggs. All I can say is go and recreate this recipe and make beans your favorite.